Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to access the emulators on the Anbernic RG556. So the Anbernic RG556 doesn't just have the normal Android, it also has a bunch of emulators. So you can either download some emulators yourself, like these ones on the screen that I have, but you can also access the built-in ones. And to access those, simply all you have to do is just press this button right here, so the R icon. You tap it, and it takes you to the emulator screen. And you have a whole bunch of emulators, ranging from the 3DS to the PSP, PS2, Nintendo DS's, and Game Boys, NES's, stuff like that. So everything that you can see on the screen. But there are, as usual, as on most of the emulators, you have to download the games yourself. You can find them on the internet and import them either just by downloading them on the device itself, or importing them using a USB-C connection. And if you want a tutorial for that, you can find it on the channel. But that is pretty much it. So thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.